Hello and welcome to the Learning Farm STEAM in Nature Summer Kit program.
There are some ethical and moral discussions in science and like serve as ground rules for scientists. So for example, how do we respect other scientists' idea or pioneerism or first idea and first discovery? It's through citation and references. So we always refer to what other scientists discovered before you did. Another topic is also about intellectual property. So there's big discussions and controversial sometimes about who discovers what, and if this discovery is something that somebody or some company should own it, or if it should be a universal knowledge for common usage for the better of society. And usually comes the question like the key motivators for science, right? Is it for profit? Is it for common good? Do I serve a group interest or do I serve humanity? Science involves, has a lot of dynamic for collaboration and competition. Collaboration for discovery, more heads, more ideas, better discoveries, and competition for resources, right? So you need funding, and some laboratories to compete for funding, sometimes for the same type of research they're doing. A scientist ethics regarding what should I write down in terms of data, in terms of experiment, and capturing negative data. So something that didn't work out, you try and it wasn't what I expected. It's important too. It's also data. And also we learn from mistakes. So scientists better than any other profession knows that we're gonna learn from our mistakes. So negative data is also data. We may find out great things from those negative data and sometimes what we call outliers, right? They're not exactly what I was expecting, but they tell me a lot of things, and sometimes not at that right particular time. Sometimes you just go back and see, wow, I realized this was important for me to have written down. We learn from our mistakes, so failed or contradictory experiments are also recorded, and we do not remove the page. If we have a mistake in our laboratory notebook, we correct the mistake. We just cross, but we still can read. We just sign, because then you were the one who crossed that. We never remove it. We never erase it. We know that, okay, I've captured that at some point, even if I change my mind, which is what the cross means, but it's still there and I can relate to what was written before. Thank you and enjoy your scientific journey.